Babanata, nagbabardagulan. But certainly, this was not the Marcos administration that we expected. At napakadaming disappointed. Unang-una ang ating mga magsasaka. They really felt that there would be a renaissance in farming, instead of which there's been a massive glut in importation, smuggling, and the increasing dependence on imported foods. So this is really unacceptable. And as it were, very un-Marcos. Ang expectations ng 31 million, ibang-iba, that there will be infrastructure, for example, pero nauwi lahat ng infrastructure sa sangkatutak na ayuda, na yung pala mauuwi yan ay puro palakasan kung sino ang magaling, at higit sa lahat ire-release sa panahon ng eleksyon. Hindi ito ang pinaglaban namin. At may mga Ilocano nga na mga loyalist na nagsasabi, alam niyo ma'am, inapi kami. Which is true, inapi kami after 1986, maraming natanggal sa trabaho, na si Sante, ang mga military, tinanggal ang hanap buhay nila. Kahirap-hirap, basta sabihin mo, taga Ilocos ka, taga Leyte ka, talagang mahihirapan ka. Ngayon, sabi niya, pinaglaban ba natin para apihin din ang mga Dabawenyo? Hindi naman ugali natin yan mang-api. Huwag naman natin ulitin. Kasi yung siklo, hindi na matatapos. I agree with him. This highly toxic and dangerous cycle of political vindictiveness is very, very sad. It's tragic for our republic.